Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy more crypto and pay less fees. And this is going to be via Coinbase. But we're doing this differently since you have Coinbase and you had the prerequisites of joining Coinbase. I suggest you actually use bigger exchanges just like your Binance and your Bybit. So Bybit right here and Binance are central exchanges that are larger than Coinbase and rather don't need the bigger fees when you're buying crypto. So let me explain to you. So you can also go here in Coinbase wallet where you go to your wallet and then you can also buy right there. So you can buy right here. So let's just say we're gonna buy in Solana network right here. So let's just let it load. So we are gonna buy 10 or let's just say 1000 USD. So 4.732 Sol as we speak right now using Transact using debit card. So those are the options that we have. Let's continue the payment. It will redirect us to our actual Transact website and then give us that code right here. So it doesn't I need an email right there. So let's actually go ahead and use another provider. So they have other providers right here. So credit card, Apple Pay. So let's do credit card using Topper. So credit card via Topper right here. Let's go ahead and open it up right here. It will say the code once we open this, if I'm not mistaken, because I've used Topper once. So there. So here, as you can see, you will get less than what you are wanting. So it's 4.5. Total fees is $26. So when we actually go right here to your actual P2P in your own actual Binance. So let's actually match it, not just Solana. So let's try to buy USDT. So USDT right here so that we can match the actual price and compare it and see what you're missing out. So it would cost you around 94 cents. So let's continue payment with Topper again and then continue, and let's see the code that it's going to give us right here. So as you can see, you're going to get 972 only and $26 in fees. Nothing has changed. So unlike when you're in P2P right here, it's only a little bit more expensive rather than in your Topper via Coinbase, which is worse. If you use Coinbase itself, there's going to be a Coinbase fee on top of that other fee, so it's going to be much larger. So here, I want you to register in Binance, get verified because you did already in Coinbase, and then go to your wallets, go to your P2P, and then buy USD. So as you can see right here, we are using USDT, and the lowest price we can get is just above 0.001. So when we enter $1,000 right here, it's gonna give us 998.95 USDT. As you can see, the fee is barely $5 and above. And I think it speaks for itself. I don't really have to explain why you need to do this because, as you can see, it's way cheaper. You can even select multiple payment methods according to your own liking right here. So there are a lot. So I don't know. That's all I have to say. I think it would speak for itself, the fees, and you don't want the fees. So that's what I do basically. And there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.